a standalone utility, water and wastewater. We are the only one in the Anchorage area.
We clean sewer lines and mains and make sure the stuff we flush keeps flowing to where it's supposed to go instead of coming out on the ground. The Alaska weather throws a curveball at you every day. You never know what's coming, what's going. Be ready for everything.
We've been working with and for the water utility since back in the early 70s. And when somebody comes to us and says they need to have a truck to go out and service a pump house, we've been around that and worked with them enough to help them custom design stuff.
This thing is lit up for the darkness, and we get calls and emergencies for all hours. And it's bright and shiny and beautiful, and it's got all the bells and whistles. I mean, you want to respond to something, you want to take this truck with you.
Knapheide has been our premier product line for in excess of 30 years. They are the leader in this industry for utility bodies, flatbeds, this type of equipment. They have just been a pleasure to work with. They do more custom design work like this unit here for the water utility than they do cookie cutter builds that we see from everybody else.
We put a crane in there and it was mounted to a reinforced floor plate. We've put in there a pressure washer systems, and we also put in a heater.
You can back right up to a lift station and pop the hatch, and you got a crane in the back and boom out and pull your pump out of there. It's pretty slick, I love how you got lights and everything too, because it's dark here. Like, we might have 5 hours of actual where you can see the sun in the wintertime, and we have emergencies 24/7. So you can flip a switch and you go back there, you're looking for a tool, and the boxes are just lit up like you can't believe. They outlast our vehicles. Like when we get a new truck, they take the box off, they put it on the new truck.
And it saves the utility thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars.
When you're a part of the Knapheide family, you are family, and they treat you that way.
I've never had any issues with Knapheide. It's reliable, you don't have to worry about anything going wrong. Everything works